I'm on Pawlings Road here. This is usually crossing from Chester County into Montgomery County. Obviously the Schuylkill came out of its riverbed here, and there's lots of water flowing here over the street. Here's some chainsaws on the other side, probably fixing those poles or something. Over here is usually the parking lot to the river trail, Schuylkill River Trail. The whole parking lot's underwater. You can see it in the back a little bit. This way is the actual Schuylkill. It's flowing quite fast here too. Looking at the actual Schuylkill River here, it's much wider than it usually is. This is again into Montgomery County. This is towards Phoenixville.